Hey guys, I'm How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to easily link your Beacons account to your Reddit profile page, so that when people visit your Reddit account, they will automatically see the little beacon icon, which links directly to your Beacons account when being clicked. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device or head down to the desktop browser and open up Reddit. Now from out Reddit you will see the Reddit homepage. Now from out here we want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears, and here you see a load of options to choose from. We're going to the first profile option right here, and here you already see 4 clickable social links, the how to tag Twitch, TikTok, Twitter and Facebook. Now here we want to choose the last option, add a social link. Now from here there's a load of options to choose from. Now we're going for the second, the Beacons one, and once you've pressed it, here it asks you to put in a username. Now use your username for Beacons and right here press save. Now as you can see in the last option there is a new social link created. If I click it, this will be automatically direct me to my Beacon account. Now this isn't my Beacon account, but it doesn't matter. But right here it's very easy to use, and from there you can use it with Reddit. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.